Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make no potato and diabetic friendly bread pokoda or fritters anytime Indian snacks of a winter's rainy day. It all started when one fine day I made bread pakoda for breakfast and posted these pictures on social media. I was immediately flooded with requests for the recipe and hence this video recipe for all. And now to pluck and gather some fresh vegetable leaves from my winter kitchen gardens. But before that, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. May he bless us all with wisdom and understanding. My kitchen gardens as in winters, and now for a handful of soya leaves. There. Now for some more vegetable leaves into my kitchen gardens. A handful of radish leaves. A handful of spinach leaves. And a handful of fenugreek leaves. And a handful of cilantro or parsley leaves. All these are optional. You can have all of them or any of them. Now back to my kitchens. Fine chop all the fresh vegetable green leaves and keep them ready. Now garden fresh green chilies, tomato, ginger as per as taste, and let's blend them into a coarse grainy paste. Hence add all to a blender, blend, and there, that is what it should do. And collect in a bowl and set it aside till to be used. Now fine chop a small onion. Keep it small. There, done. Besan or chickpea flour or gram flour, about 80 grams for 4 slices. Add the fine chopped fresh green vegetable leaves. Also add the fine chopped onions and ginger, tomato, green chili paste that we had blended earlier. Carom seeds, garam masala, and mango powder or chaat masala if you wish, which I do not prefer. Turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and now for a mix of rock or Himalayan and black salt 50-50 or any natural salt 2/3 teaspoon or as per as your taste. Red chili powder, spring or underground water or water from any natural source. Now mix well. Well, the batter looks a little too thick. But wait, let's mix a little more. Yes, it's a little too thick. Now add a little more water, so the total water that we have added is 100 ml. Now mix and mix well again. Now that looks perfect. Dropping consistency of the batter looks perfect now. Neither too thick nor too thin, free flowing and runny too. Now to taste the batter, which is most important, and add corrections if any. None. Aag lagao. Cold pressed double filter mustard oil to pan fry the pakoras in. And for diabetic friendly bread pakoda or fritters, please use multigrain bread. Now cut the slices as you desire, but do not cut the edges of the bread. Now coat and smear both the sides of the bread slices with butter and coat them well. Allow the bread to soak a little bit of the batter also. Now carefully lift and place the batter coated smeared bread slices in the hot mustard oil. Do not overcrowd the slices. Try and fry one by one only. Pour hot oil over the bread slices. This makes it cook fast and maintain an all-round temperature also. Now, keep pouring oil, and when the batter is firm, flip the bread pakoda. Allow the bread pakoda or the fritters to fry well on this side also. Look at that beautiful color, and by this time the fragrance is filling the air. Allow the bread pakoda fry, and now flip the bread pakoda or fritters again. When fried well on all the sides, bring out the bread pakoda or fritters and allow the excess of oil to drip back. And plate the bread pakoda or fritters on a plate lined with tissues, etc. Now repeat the process and pan fry all the batter coated and well soaked raw bread pakoda fritters one by one till all the four are fried well. Now pair the bread pakoda or fritters with mint or tomato, dip, sauce, chutney, ketchup and lots of cups of tea, and enjoy bread pakoda or fritters with all your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.